In just 5 steps, let me show you how you can transform a basic dress into an extraordinary, beautifully stoned outfit with basic materials you can find easily around you for either male or female garments. So, quickly, let's get started. Greetings and welcome to my channel. The first thing you need would be this. This is called a stone board in the market. Now, this stone board have different designs. This is what a closer look of looks like. You can see that it has holes. Now, if you really want to use this stone board, we have different sizes of stone, the small, the medium, and the very big. Now you have to make sure that you are using the very small size stone, okay? If you try using the medium size stone, it will fit into the holes but will not easily come out, okay? Now use the small size stone for your stoning. Now what you want to do when you are fixing this is that this side has the glue while this side is the shiny part, and you want to make sure that the shiny part is the part that is facing you, while the side that has the glue is the side that is facing the board. So all you have to do, don't try to manage stone here, because if you do that you would have problem, like it will be hard, okay? And you just pour the stone a lot, then you just use your pen to like move it away. While you move it away, you go ahead to arrange the ones that is not facing accurately. Then you go ahead to, you see, move any excess that is there, because we do not want any excess, as we want our shape or the pattern you are recreating to come out just perfectly. Okay, so just go ahead to do this. You can see I'm removing any excess I have here. We don't need any excess, as this will alter the design. There's also one step left, so I'll just quickly fast forward this so you do not have space in between. I don't need to fill up the whole board because this is just for tutorial sake. Now you need a transfer sheet. This is a transfer sheet. It is sold for 300 naira in the market per yard. This is how wide it can be. Then they go ahead to cut a yard for you. Okay, now this is what it looks like. You're going to cut as wide as you need for your project. Now I just need this much because I am working with just this area. So I'll just go ahead to take this now, and I would peel it off like so. I will peel it off. Now one thing you will take note that it has two parts. Now this part is non-sticky while this part is sticky. Now you're going to use the sticky part and you are going to place it on your design. You want to make sure it is as straight as it can be, because any fold and any mistake, it is ruined. You can only place it once. I'm not fast forwarding this part so you can see how careful I am. So when you place it accurately, you just go ahead to press it down so that it can stick with the stones. Press the stone so that it sticks. Now, so you can just go ahead to peel it out. It's supposed to follow your glue. The design is supposed to follow your glue, okay? Peel it out like this. My test fabric, like I said, make sure that you are done sewing your clothes before you put your stone in, so that it does not affect your sewing, and you might now need to remove some stones to let you sew. So make sure you are done sewing. So I'll go ahead to place these stones on the fabric like this. For the ironing, you don't really need any special iron. Just make sure that your iron is not one that can burn your fabric. Okay, but if you have a steam press or a heat transfer machine, that's just the perfect thing you can use for it. So after you have placed it on the part you need, you go ahead to iron this down. Now I believe you must have seen Gucci design, Versace, all these designs you can see on men. This is how it is done. and I'm holding it
So
down,
I'll just go
not
ahead to
scrubbing
remove
my
my
fabric.
transfer sheet
So
from the
after
fabric.
sticking with the fabric, you can go ahead
Wow.
to
As
remove
you can
your
see the beauty
transfer
we
sheet. You
created.
can see how nice this came out. Kindly note that for areas that your stones are missing, you can just go ahead to put in stones on that area. And also take note that stones comes in different color. You can decide the color of stoning you want to use for a particular fabric. And lastly, if you would want your stone to stick firmly because you are using a pressing iron, flip your dress to the wrong side. Then you go ahead to iron the stone areas on the wrong side. Do not iron scrubbing like this. No, you are going to scatter the design of the stone. Just place your iron on it and hold down for some minutes. Then you shift to the next point and you continue the routine until you can see the dot of each stones showing on the wrong side of your fabric. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to see you in my next video.